Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set tab stops on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set tab stops on Google Docs, open Google Docs and go to your document and look, this is the tab options. You can set tab stop here if you wish. I am setting tab stop. Right click on the ruler bar and you can select add left tab stop, add center tab stop or add right tab stop. I am now selecting a left tab stop and type something here. Now from left tab stop I am typing hello here. Now again I am setting a right tab stop and typing something here. Now in right tab stop, when I typing something, it will go to right side. In left tab stop, when I typing something, it will go to right side. And then again, I'm going to add a center tab stop. Right click on the ruler bar and click on add center tab stop. And now go to tab and the cursor will go to the tab stop and now typing hello. Look, the text will insert in the center align. This is the easiest way to set tab stop on Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.